Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find the list of hardware devices that can wake up your computer. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG, space. Minus device query, space. Wake, _armed. 3 devices are listed can wake up your computer. Ethernet card, mouse, and keyboard. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.